Here we have a 2002 Monark 245 Sunlounger. Does come with a tandem axle trailer. Full windshield. Does need a bath. Extended swim platform. Cruiser 5.0. 4-blade prop on there to get you out of the water a little faster. Stereo remote. It's got a walk-through here. U-shaped seating in the back. Dual captain's chairs. Snapping carpet. Rated for 13 passengers. Compass, tilt steering. Little sink there. There is a enclosed porta potty. There's a table in there, filler cushion, fenders and stuff. Storage. Big front seats here, and as you can see, a cover. Does have a walk-through bow there. Another swim ladder. Recessed cup holders. We do offer financing. Stop in at SkipperBud's and check this one out.